Okay, let's unbox this Galaxy Note 1. It came with that packaging slip. Ta-da! This is a new Galaxy Note, which we got for $225 on eBay from this seller, Breed. One of them popped. So it does look new as she shakes it. Please keep it on the ground. I don't want to.
Do you want me to open it?
Yeah, can you make sure you leave it on the ground?
Oh, okay, sorry.
Sorry, I have a new assistant. She's not well trained in the versed of YouTube unboxing videos.
Well, what am I supposed to do? Not cover this?
Well, you're not supposed to. Yeah, like there. You're doing a great job. And then she'll open it. Hopefully she doesn't tear anything. Oops, that's the phone. So it came in new condition. This is new. Go ahead. And she's gonna unpackage it. Isn't that so nice? Wow, that's amazing. Turn it over so we can see what the other side shows. Ta-da! Oh no, it uses a regular? Oh yeah, I have an adapter. So it uses a regular SIM card slot. I need to put an adapter for that. Okie dokie. And then here are the accessories. It comes with a generic charger. This looks like the kind you can get off of eBay. And then it comes with the big battery. Cool. And the back cover. Finally received my new Samsung Galaxy Note. I made a previous video, which will be the start of this video, which I'll attach, but came in this nice brown box, shipped in UPS. Shipped in UPS. It took about a week to arrive. I think it was like ground delivery. I bought it from this store on eBay. It was for $225. It came unlocked. And so I was surprised. It said it came out with a generic charger. So I was thinking it wouldn't come in its original box, but it did. So I'll open this up again. I haven't tested to see if it's unlocked. But, oops, open it the wrong way. Opening it reveals a nice new Galaxy. Now when I think about it, the screen protector isn't on really well, so maybe it is a refurb, but it's hard to tell. It comes with the box, so usually refurbs don't come with the new box. So as you can see, this is the first generation AT&T one, so it has LTE. We'll see if it works well with T-Mobile since it's unlocked. Let me refocus this. So you can see the quality. There doesn't seem to be any scratches on it because there's still the tape on it. I just have to pull off the tape. Power buttons on the side. It's different from the Galaxy Note 2 in that there's no home button at the very bottom. An actual physical home button. It has all capacitive buttons here on the bottom. And so opening up the case, let's see if it's easy to open up. It even has instructions. Trying to figure out how to open it. Oh, there's a little tab over here. So from the top right, you can put your finger in there and pull off the case. So it takes a regular size SIM card, not micro. They call it a mini SIM card. So I forgot to grab the adapter. I needed that, get that, and it has a micro SD. It uses a. Good thing is the battery is made in September. Battery was made in September, so we know the battery is pretty new. And so far so good. Put the case back on. I gotta put it from the bottom first. It comes on, just snaps on. That's it. I'm gonna actually test it when I get the case because I don't want to drop the phone.